Okay. Am I recording now? Yes. Today I'm going to share my favorite breakfast thing. It's the sweet potato breakfast bowl, and it is so good, so good. The basis of it is just gonna be some sweet potatoes, and almond milk, and you put that in the blender, and then you put your toppings, and that's it. It's like a acai bowl, but better in my opinion, because I don't really like acai bowls because they're like really tart. You can use any like milk substitute, or you can use milk. Okay, so I am just going to first cut the butts. I'm gonna throw that away. This one has a little tiny butt. Alright. And then you carefully slice through. Okay, so I'm gonna just rough chop them. Jesus. You have your sweet potatoes chopped. Now we're just going to steam them. Alright, so as you can see, the water level is like pretty low, and I just put the steamer in. So I'm just closing it so it gets warm, and we'll throw in the sweet potatoes. The water is boiling now, so I'm gonna get the sweet potatoes inside. Sweet potatoes in there, and I'm gonna put it for, I'm gonna do 15 minutes just to be safe. So put it on 15 minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to get my blender and put in the liquid that I'm gonna be using, but that's fine. Okay, so I'm gonna do 1 ounce of almond milk, and I'm just gonna put it in the blender. I will be back when it's steamed. It'll be like magic. Okay, I think they're pretty much ready. Yeah, these are done. So they're like cracking. This is the first time I've ever steamed them. I usually bake them. This is so much easier, and it's healthier for you because you're not like cooking them to death. So we have some of the almond milk in here. I washed my hands, so I'm just gonna throw it in because it's easier. Collagen peptides. So this. So this is what I'm gonna be using. I'm just gonna put so it has like the little scoopy thing here. I'm just gonna put half of, or I'm gonna do a whole scoop. I guess for now we'll see how it blends up. Let's turn it on, put this on top. Let's just put it in the smoothie settings. So let's start it. I'm gonna need to put more almond milk in here. So this is, yeah, that should be good. 2. Honestly, I'm just gonna make my own setting. So let's go for 25 seconds. And let's pulse it real quick. Okay, that's good. I guess let's go back and let's put it for 20 seconds. Okay, that's gonna need a lot more liquid. So what, this is the 4th one, 4th ounce. I don't think it's as creamy as I wanted, so I want more liquid. Now we're gonna put it in the smoothie setting. So let's see what it looks like. Yes, okay, so this is what it looks like right now. It looks super smooth. So I'm gonna put in a little honey. I tasted it and it's not that sweet, so I'm just gonna put a drizzle. Now I'm just gonna put this in here in my bowl. Where's my, oh. Okay, so I'm just gonna dump it in. And now I'm just gonna spread it out a little bit. And then I'm just gonna put the toppings. Okay, so we have the base here. That's more so what it can look like, depending on your ratios and your blender. So now I'm just gonna dress it like acai bowl. I'm just gonna put some walnuts in there because I'm obsessed. And now I'm just putting some hemp hearts, and I'm just going to drizzle it with a little bit more honey. Alright, that's good. So there you go. That is my favorite breakfast bowl. I'm gonna try it. This is like super good. You don't need honey. Honey does taste better for me. So I put honey. You put other sweeteners. But you don't have to put too much because honestly, sweet potato is pretty sweet. It'll hold you over for quite a bit. Yeah, so hopefully you try it, and if you try it, let me know. Either on here, Instagram, and let me know what you think. I guess one little hack would be if you steam the sweet potatoes, then like night before or just a couple days before. And then whenever you're ready to make it, just throw in a good amount of almond milk, throw in the sweet potatoes, and just blend it up and literally just pour it like a smoothie into a bowl with your toppings, and that's it. That's breakfast. And it's super fast, super good, healthy, and yeah, that's all you get. But what else could you ask for? If you've made it this far, thank you so much. It means a lot to me. Let me know what you think about this video. Let me know what you think about this recipe. And if you have any ideas for other videos, let me know. Any videos you want to see me make. Subscribe to my channel and you'll get recipes and God knows what else coming at you. So thank you.